Namaste. This is S.K. Batin Rahman, Faculty of Pharmacy in Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today we discussing about biotransformation or metabolism. The biotransformation means chemical alternation of drug in the body is need to render non-polar, meaning lipid soluble compound, polar, lipid insoluble. So they are the not reabsorbed in the renal tube or excrete and or it outed by the body, excrete or outer from my body, outer from the human body. Most of the hydrophilic drug, streptomycin, neostatin, and neomycin, and different type of drug are literally biotransformation are largely excreted by unchanged. Mechanism which metabolism drug essential foreign substance having developed to the protected the drug of ingested toxicity. Primary consists of drug metabolism in liver, other kidney, intestine, lungs, plasma, biotransformation of the drug may be leads to follow. Inactive. Most and their active metabolism are rendered inactive and less active. Example, ibuprofen, paracetamol, lidocaine, chloramphenicol, propionyl. This is the metabolic bit 4-hydroxypropanol. Active metabolism from the active drug. May drug have been found to the partially converted one or more active metabolism. The effect of observed in the sum total of the due to the present drug. Its activity metabolic activation of inactive drug. Like few drugs are the inactive such as need to conversion in the body one or more active metabolism. Such a drug are called prodrug. The prodrug may offer advance over the active form in the being more stable, being better ability, or more desirable pharmacokinetic property, or less side effect and the toxicity. Some prodrug are activated selectively sit at the site of action. Chloral hydrate. Chloral hydrate is tetrachloroethanol. Morphine. Morphine 6-gluconate and cefuroxime is D-acetylcefuroximine. Okay. Allopurinol is alloxanthin. Diazepam is D-methyl diazepam, and digoxin is converted to the active metabolic drug is digoxin. Now, biotransformation reaction can be classified into non-synthetic phase 1 and functionalized reaction. It's a function group of the generated of exposed metabolic may be activated, and the synthetic and cognitive are phase 2 reaction. Indigenous radical of the conjugation to the drug are metabolism in the most active, except the few drugs like gluconic conjugation of morphine, sulfur conjugated of minoxidil are active. Non-synthetic drug like oxidation, this is the reaction involving added oxygen and negatively charge of free and remove the hydrogen positive charge. Oxidation are the most important drug metabolism reaction of various oxygen reaction. Hydroxylation, oxidation at the C, N or S atom. N or O atom, alkylation, oxidation or deamination, etc. In the most case, the initial insecretion of the oxygen atom into the drug metabolism are produce liver high reaction, quinine, epioxine, and superoxide. Prodrug in liver is converted to the dopamine, inoprel are converted to the inoprel, and the different type of drug are converted to different type. Okay, so in this group of fluorouracil are converted to the fluorouracil. Okay, and now you see that the sulfur gene sulfurgene is converted to the 5 amino sulfur 5 hydroxy amino sulfuric acid. Okay, so in this action, oxygen R reaction is the most carry out the group of monooxygenase in the liver, which is final step involved in cytochrome P450 and hemoprotein and NADPH, cytochrome P450 and the reductase are molecule O2 are more than 100. Cytochrome P450 isomer is differing in their affection of various substances have been identified. Depending upon the extent of amino acids coefficient of homology and cytochrome P450 isomer are grouped into the family designed by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Each have a several substance of family of designed by the capital letter A, B, C, which is individual isoenzyme are agent allocated in manner. In human, only few number of 3 isoenzyme family CYP1, 2, 3 carry out the metabolism of the most of the drug in this drugs such as tolbutamide, barbiturate, nifedipine are the mode one of isoform. The CYP isoenzyme are important mainly CYP 3A 4x5 carry out the biotransformation of the large number of like nearest 50% of drug. In the addition or to the liver, there are isoform are the expressed in intestine. Responsible for the fast metabolism at the seat and the kidney as well. Inhibition of isoenzyme by erythromycin, ketoconazole, iraconazole is responsible for the important drug interaction with carfenadine and cispride, which are substance of less statin and nifedipine, hydrocortisol and misoprostol, simvastatin, and that different type of statin group like anti-hyperlipidemic drug are metabolized by the CYP3A5. Imipramine and the nifedipine are the group of fruit juice other than important inhibitor of rifampin, barbiturate, and other of important inducer. CYP2D6. It is the next most important CYP isoform, which is the metabolized nearest 20% of drug, including tetracycline, antidepressant, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor, many of the neurotransmission beta blocker, and the others inhibitor of the enzyme quinidine. Result is failure the conversion of codeine to morphine. Analgesic of effect of codeine is lost. Human subject can be grouped into the extensive and poor metabolism of metoprolol and different type of drug. The poor metabolism of the organism CYP2D6 enzyme are extended low capability of hydroxide mini drug. CYP2C 8/9 are important biotransformation of more than 15% common drug are included phenytoin, carbamazepine, and warfarin are the nearest separate margin of drug, as well as ibuprofen, tolbutamol, and variant of celecoxib, losartan drug. CYP2C19 metabolized and well frequently used drug of including omeprazole, lansoprazole, phenytoin, diazepam, propionyl drug. Rifampin, carbamazepine are the potently induced of the CYP2C subfamily of omeprazole, while omeprazole is an inhibitor. CYP1A 1/2 throughout the subfamily of participate in the metabolism of only few drugs like theophylline, caffeine, paracetamol, carbamazepine. It is the more important in activation of any kind of drug. Apart of rifampin, carbamazepine, drug, and cigarette smoke are the potently inducer. CYP2EB, it catalyzes the oxidation alcohol by halothane and formation of minor metabolism like oxidation of alcohol and halothane and the formation of minor metabolism few drug. Notion there is hepatotoxicity in acetyl benzoquinone from the paracetamol or chronic alcoholis induced isoenzyme. They relate to amount of different CYP450 different among the specific among individual and the same species. This is a different large accounted of the interception individual different rate of the metabolism of drug. Barbiturate, phenothiazide, and imipramine, propanol, ibuprofen, PCM or paracetamol, steroid, phenytoin, pentadiazepine, thiophyllene, and the many other drugs oxidize in this way. Few of the drugs are cinetidine, ranitidine, lozetipium are the oxidized in their Np or S atom by the group of flavin monooxygenase. There is more of the located of hepatic endoplasmic reticulum. But distinct from the CYP enzyme, they are not susceptible of the induced inhibition by the other drug involved in the drug interaction. Some of the other drug, adrenaline, alcohol, metoprolol, are oxidized by the mitochondria by cytoplasmic enzyme. This is the reaction of conversion of oxidation involved in CYP enzyme working on the opposite direction. Alcohol, aldehyde, quinine are reduced. Drugs are primarily chloramphenicol, warfarin. Okay, this is all about the oxidation process. Now we discussion in other video hydroxylation, and others of any metabolism process we discuss. Thank you for hearing. Thank you so much.